Hi, I'm Chad Smith. I'm a children's programmer at the Kenton County Library, the Covington branch. I'm here to show you how to make a drawing robot for our Pinterest series. Building these robot markers is very beneficial for kids. It teaches trial and error. If something doesn't work the first time, they can change their design. It also brings in engineering. They have to work with balance and how they're going to position things. Also, it brings in art and engineering together. For our Pinterest craft today, we're going to need an electric toothbrush with the top cut off, a cup, some masking tape, and some markers. Our first step in our process is that we're simply going to tape the markers around our cup. And the best way to do this is to tear off little pieces at a time and tape each one individually. And you're going to want to try to line them up pretty evenly as you do this. So the big thing here is that you can use pretty much any kind of tape. And when you're doing this with your kids at home, it's all right to let them to experiment. Maybe they use 3 markers, maybe they use 4 markers, maybe they try 20 markers, it's whatever you want to try at home. If your kids at home want to try them uneven, it kind of makes a different pattern when we get to the final process. Keep in mind when you're doing this, it's okay for them to be a little uneven, but it's best if they all kind of touch about the same. As long as it can stand on its own, it'll work fairly well. And the best way to test this is once you have them taped, just kind of flip it over and make sure all your points are touching. And once you have them on there, the best thing to do is then take a large piece of tape and then start wrapping it around. And you want to pull it fairly tight. Then I would go ahead and do the same thing, but at the top of the markers. And sometimes they do angle, so you kind of have to check that. Again, make sure, see how that point's not touching. I want to push that one down just a little bit. All right, so I've already done this, but this is simply an electric toothbrush from the Dollar Tree that costs $1. I went ahead and cut off the stem from it. I do have the pieces here. And you just cut that top off. Just a good pair of scissors. It's real easy to do. It's nothing too hard. It's just a simple one cut on that. All right, the next step is you're simply going to position this on top. And we're going to tape that on. And be kind of liberal with your tape here. You can never really tape it too much. Then the last step is you simply just turn it on. There's an on switch on the back. You just put it on the on position. You will feel it to start vibrating. And you can go ahead and you just set it down and it will start to draw on the paper. And how you position the markers and your motor on top makes it do different patterns. So it's a lot of fun to play around with as you're doing this. Thank you for watching our Pinterest video today. If you would like to do any kind of crafts like this, you can visit any of our 3 branches or visit our website for more information. It's kentonlibrary.org. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.